Not a bad look right there. Hey y'all, figured I'd give you an update on the build. Slow and steady here, but we got the plastic out of the Crown Vic fender wells, so I can keep the metal ones. Got the core support across. So all you gotta do is actually trim these up. And here, take off those pieces, everything will still work. You see the battery will go there, air box will go there, computer will go up there. Still got a lot of welding to do across the firewall, seam those in together. Down here at the A-pillars, get all those good, welded in. As you see, still gap, but we did get this support welded in. So that's all there, all attached. Sorry, it's been a long, hot day, but it's coming along, y'all, slow and steady. Welds would be a lot better if you didn't have this Harbor Freight welder. So if you can afford a better one, I recommend getting a better one. But it gets the job done. Like I said, this is a true budget build. No fancy tools, no fancy garage, no plasma cutters, grinder, sawzall, welder, hand tools, some drills. Getting it done. I think it's looking good. It's gonna look real good. All right, y'all. I'll let you later. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to Hollow Boys Garage. Busy week. Almost getting this thing wrapped up here. We got the front end pretty much squared away on it. Fenders, the fender skirts. We got the cab welded in. Hood's just sitting on it now. Got the frame cut out. Got the core support all in. Gonna box in the frame. Got the core support supported. Got to do some more on that. But she's coming along. Let's see, mess inside from working. I'll be putting a panel across the top. Nathan's Garage did it, and I think it'll be good, so you can have access to your wiper linkage. And there, I got some filler pieces for here on both sides that are going to go in, so it'll make it all blend in smooth. Just figured I'd give y'all an update on it. It is other videos I was having problems with the ignition, but it's all working now. AC, heat, everything. I'm gonna take care of the gauges, the lights on the inside of the gauge. Gonna get those cleared. But yeah, I'll tell you what, if you got any maintenance you want to do or that needs to be done before, this is the time to do it. We replaced the heater core in it while it was out, serviced the AC while it was done, did the front shocks on it, got rear shocks going to be replaced on it next. It's just time to go ahead and take care of everything, so you ain't got to go back and do it later. So take advantage of it all being opened up. And then my wife's just standing there being nosy. I think it looks good. And that is the wheel completely locked out. And I got a fingertip of space in between it. Perfect. All right, y'all. Holler at you later.
put it on the floor support, bolt the doors in, put the interior back in, put the bed on. That should be the next 2 days. Mother's Day, so taking it off, spend it with the wife. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'll let you later.
Hey, y'all. I gotta give you an update. What's been going on? Well, we got the fenders on, and they're on, hood on, bolted up. You know, got the battery in position, the fuse box, that's where it's going to be staying. Those wires will get cleaned up a little bit more. The air box is going to go here. The computer will be on that fender right there. We cut the legs off, got everything cleaned up for there. The front will be going on after I weld the braces in and the caps for the fenders, or for the frame. And we got the interior. It's in. Doors on. Opening, closing. So beautiful. All right, y'all. Holla at you later.